U.S. stocks are slipping on new travel bans being initiated, considering that there are now new mutations in COVID. Especially around the holiday season, those travel bans are not just a bummer for stocks, but also for those who are traveling. In the meantime, let's travel around the world to take a look at our Forex, where we are focusing on the loonie today. The upside does prevail there. Long positions above 128.60 favored, targets at 129.55 and 129.80 in extension. The euro dollar has hit key resistance. We're seeing the pound bearish, but the dollar yen is supported by a rising trend line. In Bitcoin, the upside prevails as long as 22,936 is support, and gold is lower. Short positions below 1,878.50 favored, targets at 1,855 and 1,844 in extension. Follow Trading Central on Twitter for all of your Forex market updates. For Trading Central Web TV, I'm Olivia Voz.